Friends, how are you doing? I'm missing you. We're going to go over our journal for today. So today is Wednesday. Get your journal page out so that you can see it looks like mine. And then we'll get started. So our month is March. Today is March 18, 2020. If we are going to write the date with just numbers, we would write 3, 18, 20. Today is Wednesday. We're going to spell Wednesday. What letter will we begin with? W, W, W. W, W, E, D. Remember, Mrs. Hoffman says this is Wednesday, the silly way to say it. Make sure your Y goes below the dotted line. The next activity says, circle the letters that are vowels. Put an X on the consonants. Remember, a vowel is A, E, I, O, and U. A consonant is all the other letters. Please circle the vowels, put an X on the consonants. If you want to stop the video right now, you can. Watch me as I circle the vowels. We're going to cross out the consonants. Check yours to see if it looks like mine. Now we are going to write the word to match the picture. This is a sub. It's really a submarine, but we're going to call it a sub. What sounds do you hear in sub? S, a, b. Next it says, write the sentence. Capitalize the first word and add punctuation. Let's read the sentence. I'll read it first, then you read it. The grass is so green. Your turn. Who remembers what do we have to have at the beginning of our sentence? A capital letter. That T needs to be a capital letter. The, finger space, grass, finger space, is, finger space, so, oh, I don't have enough room. I'm going to go to the next line. Green. Make your lowercase g go below the dotted line. All your other letters stay underneath the dotted line. And you can choose your punctuation. I'm going to use an exclamation mark. The next thing we need to do is write the number. This is the number 16. What number is it? Write the number. Straight line down to the bottom. Come back up to the top. Curl around and curve around and curl it up. Make a space in between your numbers. We are going to do the domino math. You choose the dots and write an equation, or you can copy mine. I'm going to make 2 dots on the first side of the domino. That means I write a number 2 on that first line. I'm going to put 4 dots on the next domino. I will write the number 4. 2 dots plus 4 dots equals how many dots all together? If you said 6, you are correct. I forgot the mystery number. So tell your mom and dad to choose one of those numbers and give you a clue about the number, and then you will try and guess the number. Write the numbers that come before and after. Think of the number 14. What is the number we say before we say 14? 13. If we're counting, we say 13, 14, and 15. Think of the number 12. When I'm counting, what number do I say before 12? 11. What number do I say after 12? 13. Today, you get to write a sentence about things that have to do with St. Patrick's Day. The first picture says clover. This word is clover. The next picture is a leprechaun. This word says leprechaun. The next picture is a hat. It's called a top hat. The next picture is a rainbow. The next picture is a pot of gold. Stop the video if you want and think of what you would like to use in your sentence. Which words? I'm going to use leprechaun and top hat. I'm thinking I will write the leprechaun has a top hat. Let's count the words in my sentence. The leprechaun has a top hat. 6 words. Let's write it. First word, the. Uppercase T. Now I'm going to put my finger down for a finger space, but I'm also going to look down here to see how I spell leprechaun. L-E-P-R-E-C-H-A-U-N. The leprechaun, my next word is has. As. The leprechaun has a finger space. I'm going to look here for top hat. Lowercase t starts at the top and goes all the way down to the bottom. O stays below the dotted line. P goes below the dotted line. A top hat. I'm going to put a period at the end. You may go and check your boxes. Hey, that's it for journals today.